I didn't want to do it. No, I didn't want to do it. Hey, hello and welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. And when I say beautiful, today I totally mean it. It is a glorious sunny day, February, early February in San Diego. Chilly though, it's 57 degrees Fahrenheit, which is something centigrade. I'll post it. Why do I bother with these weather reports? Because I think I owe it to the folks back there in snowbound areas or frost-bound areas. I know I've had some great correspondence recently with a gentleman named Scott back on the East Coast, and he sent me a note the other day that the weather was 18F. He has a new 21 Tuono as well. And he ain't right at 18 degrees, nor would I. I don't think, it's tough for me to decide to go out at 57. 18, geez, give us a break. But the interesting news about that is that he's got an OEM windscreen from the touring version of the Tuono, and he's going to send it out. I'm going to give that a try. I'm going to take off the Power Bronze unit that I put on and go back to the standard one, and he's ordered a tinted version, so he's going to send that out, and in the name of science we're going to try that out, right, Scott? Okay, so today's effort is, I wasn't going to do this. I was not going to do this, but when I opened it up, it was so beautifully packaged, I thought, I can't resist from doing a quote-unquote unboxing. Forgive me, I'm enough of a ham, I have to do it. But let's get over there and take a look at it, see what we're talking about. Stand by. Can you see me now? So what we're going to unbox is this new Cardo unit, Freecom Cardo. The Cardo has this mesh communication system, which is fabulous for groups of riders, and it far outpaces what you might get with normal interconnections. But I purchased the new K6, which I have yet to ride with, by the way, and I wanted to put a comms unit on it, and I've enjoyed the Cardo. I think it's pretty good. The mesh unit is fairly more expensive than the non-mesh unit, and they've come out with a new line called Freecom that allows you to communicate via Bluetooth with other manufacturers' units a little more easily, and is probably the correct choice if you're not riding too often in a group. So that's why I got it. I got the 4X Freecom. But you're going to see, this thing is so well packaged, and I wanted to see it. By the way, apologize for the backlight. I also apologize that I have to pull down the shade so that you can't see it out there. But let's unpack it, and you'll see why I wanted to do this unboxing. Let's put that there. There it is. That is really well packaged. I got to hand it to Cardo. That's nicely done. Comes in a little thing here. Here's the Cardo unit itself. Pretty slender too. A lot more slender, I think, than the full mesh unit. And there's something about being a little worried of that big blob on the side of your helmet there. But that's the unit itself. Little wheel to adjust it. Start here before using your unit, download the app. Well, Cardo, hey Cardo, I did that. Got that done. Got a sticker, can't have enough of those. Got a tell your fellow riders what you think, which is actually what we're doing right now. Pocket guide in English, Espanol, Japanese, and Canadian. I don't know. Is Canadian different than American English? Actually it is, eh? But we've got two pocket guides here. I imagine they're in different languages. Important information, safety, warranty, and compliance. Probably means don't eat it. The installation guide, I'll take a glance at that. We've done enough of those. And then the inner boxing. Ta-dam. Again, I gotta say, Cardo, this is beautiful. You spent some money on the box for the darn thing, let alone for the unit itself. So what comes in this little box here? We have the speakers. We have the helmet side attachment. No, that's not it. Maybe it is it. We have the helmet side attachment. This will go on the side of the helmet. Well, I think this is the one that you'll use if you tuck this tab up underneath your helmet. Depends if you want to glue it on the exterior, I guess, or whether you want to tuck it in. You have the charging cable. I now have, looks like USB-C. I now have about a gazillion of these, so that will be going to the, and we have the cable, the speaker, microphone part. I am not sure whether that microphone, this looks like it goes on a modular or open face helmet. Let's do I'll just try your patience here. We'll do a very quick exploration of what's in this package right here. Let's go in and check. Here are the speakers themselves. They will go into the speaker pockets on the K6. Here is the connector, which looks like it's TRS, and it connects onto the holder like, give us a snap, like that, little snap, connects onto the holder, which in turn connects to the helmet itself. Now, I will have to decide whether I want to use that clip or not to put it on the side of the helmet, and how to mount the microphone part of it. But again, that's it. I just wanted to share this because I was very impressed by the way that Cardo packaged this up. I think they did a marvelous job, and I'm not going to do the install today because it's too nice outside. I'm going to try and sneak a ride in. Mrs. Cooper has plans for me this afternoon, but I'm going to sneak a ride in. Hey, what do you say? Talk to you later. Thanks for joining me on this. Hey, just a quick comeback here. There are 2 microphones included in the kit. I opened up the second little plastic bag there, and there's 2 microphones included in the kit. And this is the one that I will be using. It is for, let me see if I can get it in there. Will the camera catch it? Yes, it will, with the connector here. And I will be using this one with a closed-face helmet. The other microphone kit, as I say, is for open-faced type helmets. Well, there's really no reason why you couldn't use it, but I'm going to be going with, dropped a little tab there. I'm going to be going with this closed-face unit. So that's it. That's the update. Just wanted to make sure everyone knew about it.